Here's how you make nut butter clusters. For this recipe, we're going to use performance nut butter, but you can substitute in any nut butter. Crush the walnuts, but not too fine. You want some texture. Go ahead and melt the chocolate. Then mix the nuts and coconut flakes into the melted chocolate before adding the nut butter. You can also add some Splenda for a little bit of sweetness, but I like the dark chocolate. Now you want to pour the mixture evenly into a silicone ice tray. I use this one, I got it on Amazon. I'll include the link in the description. Once you evenly distribute it, place it in the freezer and let harden. This recipe makes 11 nut clusters and they are 1 net carb apiece. Enjoy! Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you can also find more recipes on ketoshow.org.